In this video, let us look into some logical operators. Let us create a table. Create table SQL basics dot dbo dot employee. We'll have empid int null first name care of 100 not null last name take care of 100 null title take care of 100 null, and then manager id int none. Close it and let us create this table. Execute, right click tables, fresh, go down. There should be an employee table here. So we can create an empid int not null, first name where care of 100 not null, last name where care of 100 not null, title where care of 100 null, manager id int. So this employee table has been created. Now let us insert some values into it. I already got these values, so let us insert them. So we have this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 IDs, and first name, last name, the title is here, CEO, vice president, manager, and the manager ID is in the end. So let us execute this. So records have been entered. Select star from the basics dot dbo apply. Now let us execute and see what is there in the table. So all these records which are entered have been entered into the table now. Now let us look at the OR operator. OR. So here condition will take is first name should be Chris, last name should be Williams, first name should be Chris or last name should be Williams, or the title is CEO. So if the first name is Chris, we'll get this empid 4 record, or last name is Williams, we'll get empid 3, or title is CEO, that means empid 1. So we should get 1 3 4. So let us write the query for that. Select star from SQL basics dot dbo dot y. So we need where filter by first name is equal to Chris, or last name will take Williams, or title, yeah, is equal to CEO. So if any of these conditions are supported, then that record will be retrieved. So first name is equal to Chris, so this record, or last name is equal to Williams, this record, or title is equal to CEO, this record. So if I execute this, first name is Chris, or last name is equal to Williams, or title is equal to. So that's how we can use or to retrieve the records. So let us view all the records again. Write the query for the AND operator. AND operator. Here we say select star basic dot o dot employee, where we'll say Chris is the first name and last name is Wallace. So where first name is equal to Chris and last name is equal to ALAC. So if it is AND, then it should satisfy both of these conditions. So first name should be Chris and last name should be Wallace. So first name is Chris and last name is Wallace is this record number 4. So let us execute this. So record number 4, Chris, the first name, last name is Wallace. Now let us look into in operator. So let SQL basics dot employee, where last name in. So we want the last names, we go here, we want the last names Brown, Wood and Williams. So we'll say Wood and Williams. So in will retrieve all these 3. The last name should be in Brown, Wood and Williams. So these 3 records 1, 2, 3 have got Brown, Wood and Williams as last name. So if this Brown, Wood and Williams are the last names. So 1, 2, 3 record. That's how this in operator can be used. Now we'll look into between operator. So select star from SQL basics dot BBO dot employee, where, so here between means, suppose we want the records between 3 and 5, these 3 records 3, 4, 5. So between is inclusive, so we want the records between 3 and 5, where MID between 3 and 5. So if I execute this, So between 3 and 5 we got the records. So between is inclusive, that means 3 and 5 are also included in that query. That's why we got 3 PID 3, 4, 5 records. These are some of the logical operators which will be useful in SQL. If you like the video, please subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button. For notifications on upcoming videos, please click on the bell icon.